This is a quick update that our last system build went a little bit haywire because the motherboard was a used motherboard and we purchased a brand new one from Microcenter. So I did have to go back to Microcenter, pick up a new one, and it is now replaced. This is the new motherboard. It is in place for them. All the wires are put back, all of the connections are done, all of the CPUs repasted, everything is connected in. We also used a little bit better thermal paste since we were already taking it apart anyway. All the cables in the back are all done and everything's kind of tied up, so it's all looking good. The return process at Microcenter was pretty quick and easy. Yeah, we're all back up and running. The worst part, I think, was traveling to Microcenter and getting it taken care of. This is the back of the unit and all of the cables are a little more tied down. I spent a little bit more time tying everything down since we were already here, and I figured make it look a little bit better. All the wires that are down here that are hidden from the front side are just tied back. Extra screws are also at the bottom in the little plastic bags, so just in case a technician has to install a 2.5-inch SSD or a mechanical drive at the bottom, they can do so using the bag of screws that are on the bottom and then sliding the drive in place. The only thing that we need is just basically a SATA cable for that to happen, but we don't put the SATA cables in here. We usually just bring them with us. Yeah, another clean build and it's ready to go, and our customer's going to be extremely happy that the system is ready for installation. And yeah, just got to close it up, clean it up a little bit, wipe off our fingerprints, deliver it. It also came with the proper I/O shield, and this motherboard has a lot of I/O. You're talking VGA, it has a regular HDMI, 2 display ports, USB, I think that's 2.0 and some 3.0 sockets, as well as a USB-C port, which is down here, and also regular Ethernet and regular audio. But yeah, that's a monstrous amount of I/O for just a regular motherboard. Also, it still has a PS2 board, which I don't know anybody that has a PS2 keyboard, but if they do, you have a port.